is 31st December. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. The first page we have Khalida Zia, Bangladesh's first woman prime minister, dies. Jai Shankar at funeral today. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have reality check for Mumbai civil polls. In 3 years, 99% of development funds went towards under ruling alliance. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have Noida, Greater Noida. Look at Jiwar Airport infra boost in 2026. Again, very important for infrastructure perspective. Moving forward, we have Delhi records highest PM 2.5 this month since December 2018. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have Delhi, Noida, AQI, Severe alert for cold day. Again, very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have Defense Ministry signs over 4,666 crore deal for procurement for combat carbines, torpedoes. Again, very important for defense perspective. Moving forward, we have multi-role copter Dhruv completes maiden flight. Again, very important for defense perspective. Moving forward, we have injustice bias stays opposition. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have the editorial page where we have it was a year of deferred accountability. Opposition must see its opportunity. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have US sanctions on Rosneft, Lukoil, new Iran's step in to supply crude oil to India, very important for economic perspective. Going forward, we have the world page where we have negotiating stance on Kyiv will toughen, says Russia. Then we have Trump warns Iran to off possible strike, urges Hamas to disarm. Then we have UAE withdraws forces in Yemen after crisis with Saudi Arabia. Then we have will halt operations of civil aid agencies in Gaza from 2026, says Israel. Then we have India-Pakistan tensions among hotspot issues mediated by China, says Wang Yi. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.